Hello, teacher.
Sorry, my internet got lost. Okay, so let's go back to the second question, Potato. How many pets does the grandparents of Sam have? Look at here, oh, potato. No, Sam's family got one pet. That's a donkey. But how about the grandparents? How many pets do they have?
Six.
There are, again? How many?
Six.
Huh? Look at here, oh. Grandparents got a cat and a fish. How many cats? How many cats?
I don't know.
Look at there. It's there.
What?
How many cats does the grandparents have? Cat.
Cat. How many? I don't know.
Oh, it's there. My there. How many?
What?
Look at here, oh. My grandparents have got lamb. Okay, how many cats?
One.
One. Very good. And how about fish? How many fishes?
Two.
Two? Are you sure it's two? There are.
Yeah, two.
There are. Is it two? No.
Yeah.
Okay, that is three. Grandparents got three fishes. Okay. Look at here. Potato. Look at number one. What can you see in number one? This is our, come on, almost done. Sorry.
I don't know.
Look at the picture number one. This is our, what kind of animal is that?
Animal is
Our
cat.
cat. Very good.
And donkey. And dog.
Okay. How many cats can you see? Potato. One. How many fishes? How about the fish? How many?
Three.
Okay.
Three.
Very good. Okay, let's hear. How do you spell cat? How do you write cat? What are the letters? C. How do you spell it? E.
D. I.
And T.
And D.
Okay, next. Next, number two. These are our, what's number two again? These are our fish. Okay, next, number three. This is my,
this is my donkey.
okay, next, number four.
It is my dog.
Okay, this is my favorite dog. Great work. Look at here, Potato. Last one. Okay, look at here. Is the street long or short? What do you think? Potato.
I don't know.
Is the street long or short? Oh,
I don't know.
sometimes it's long, sometimes it's short. It depends. Now here, Potato, how many people do you think live in your house? How many people lives in Potato's house? In your house, Potato's house, how many people lives in your house? How many?
Five.
Five. Okay, next. Potato, do your grandparents live with you? Do they live with you? Your grandma and grandpa? Yes. How about, have you got lots of cousins?
What?
Have you got lots of cousins? Do you have a lot of cousins? Yes or no?
What?
Have you got lots of cousins?
No.
No, no cousins? Okay, number 5. Has your family got a pet, Potato? Do you have a pet? Yes, what pet do you have? What
What?
pet?
What?
What is that? Do you have a pet? Yes or no?
I don't know.
No pets. Okay. Potato, if you are going to have a pet, what kind of pet do you want? If you will have a pet, what pet do you want, Potato?
I
to
don't
have?
like pets.
Ah, you don't like pet? Okay. So Potato doesn't like pets. That's why Potato doesn't have pet in the house. All right. Okay. So Potato, that would be all for today. It's already time. And thank you for attending the class this evening. Okay? Thank you for coming, Potato. And goodbye for now. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Goodbye,
Bye-bye.
Potato. Bye.